The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K action camera drone offers unparalleled video quality with its ability to capture stunning 8K footage, making it an exceptional choice for both adventurers and content creators. Featuring SmoothCapture 2.0 technology, this drone ensures steadier shots with its 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization, providing cinematic quality filming even in motion. Effortless operation is guaranteed with the HOVERair X1 PROMAX, as it can be launched hands-free using simple voice commands or a click, eliminating the need for a controller. Designed for versatility, the OmniTerrain capability allows the drone to fly over diverse terrains such as snow, water, and cliffs, capturing breathtaking scenery with its multiple flight modes. With an aerodynamic design, the drone can achieve impressive follow speeds of up to 42 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced activities like cycling and skiing. Safety is paramount with the advanced rear active collision detection system, which uses proximity sensors to prevent collisions, ensuring secure and smooth operation in various environments.